Attention students, your backpack is missing all school supplies, but there's note inside complete. This would you rather challenge to earn your ultimate school supplies? Will you get the shiniest pens, the coolest lunchbox, or the most epic notebook ever? There's only one way to find out. Subscribe now. Take the epic quiz, and let's build your perfect backpack setup. Magic Mirror, help me see which one's the best for me. Which snack do you want? Need to pause? Which bookmark would you use? Okay, time to choose which book labels match your vibe. Choose your pencil sharpener. Stay sharp and keep your eyes on the screen and spot the teddy. Good job, it's on the third place. Choose your favorite sweet jar. Find your fluffy bestie. Choose your crossbody bag. Which highlighter will you choose? Which projector do you like best? Choose your sticky notes. Which paint suits you the most? This is going to be so cool. Choose your gumball machine cake. Which sneaker will you choose? Find the odd emoji before the time runs out. Good job! Which bookends do you prefer? Let's meet your new best friend. What do you think about your calendar? Choose your study lamp. Your dream monster sofa is waiting. How about your AirPods case? Thank you for participating in today's challenge. If you like this video, remember to press subscribe button and turn on notification. See you again in the next video. Goodbye.